Hello, friends. This is Dr. Michael Gold. I am a dermatologist in Nashville, Tennessee. Run Gold Skincare Center in the Tennessee Clinical Research Center here in Nashville. I will be talking about lasers and energy-based devices in the Life Skill Enhancement Program. My topic is broad, but it covers a lot. So when I speak about lasers and energy-based devices, we talk about how we can use various machines that we have in our arsenal to successfully make hypertrophic scars and keloids go down and go back to normal. We've been at this for a long time. I've worked with colleagues from all over the world, and I'm going to share information and data and studies that we've been conducting to show the benefit of these devices and how they work to help your patients with some of these very disfiguring scars that we see in our clinical practices. My special thanks go to MCure for this academic initiative. We will also be discussing some of their moisturizing products, along with the DAZZLE certification program. DAZZLE is the Dermatologic and Aesthetic Surgical International League. We are happy to be part of this initiative, and special thanks also to DocMode to providing this educational forum. And we hope everybody has a great week leading up to this very exciting event. Thank you all very much.